Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix no active pools in Notcoin. First, open your App Store on your mobile device. Now search for Notcoin in the search bar. Once you find the Notcoin application, check if there is an update available. If so, update the application to the latest version. Next, go back to your home screen and open the settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. In the General settings, tap on Software Update. Make sure your mobile device is running the latest software version. If there's an update available, download and install it. Then, return to the home screen and open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen for iOS or from the bottom for older iPhones and most Android devices. Now, tap on the Wi-Fi icon to open Wi-Fi settings. Then ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by turning your Wi-Fi off and then back on. Now open the Telegram application on your mobile device. In the search bar at the top, type Notcoin and search for it. When you see Notcoin in the search results, tap on it to open. In the Notcoin chat, tap on Start to initiate the bot. Then tap on Earn to proceed. Next, tap on Launch to start the earning process. You will see a download icon on an image within the chat. Tap on this icon. Details about the Notcoin pools will appear. You will also see various levels associated with the pools. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.